how to make collaborative playlist on Spotify. First of all, open up the Spotify application on your phone. Once you're here, go over to the bottom of your screen and tap on your library. Then tap on any playlist and find your favorite songs that you want to add in the playlist. After that, tap on the three dots of your selected song. Then tap on Add to Playlist over here. Now select New Playlist on the top of your screen. After that, name the playlist Collaborative Playlist. And once you're done typing in the name, tap on Create. Once you're in the next page, go over to the Add Friend icon over here. Then tap on it. Now, from the options below, you can tap on Copy Link and then share it to your friends. Or you can also select from any of these options available, such as TikTok, Instagram, Messenger, etc. Now, anyone from the member of this collaborative playlist can add music to this playlist and enjoy the music together with you.